Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maison Magdalena. If you want to know how to do a nice ponytail like Kourtney Kardashian would do, then keep watching. The only product that I'm going to use and that I need to realize this hairstyle is the Eco Styler Gel Long Hold with extra proteins. I am completely obsessed with this product. This is actually the only gel I use. I don't use any other one. Then I'm going to use this synthetic hair brush to lay down my hair and make sure it looks very flat and flawless.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Now that my hair is tied up, I'm going to apply a second layer of gel for a better result. Because my hair becomes really curly when the air is humid, I'm going to braid my hair and wrap it in a bun. If your hair is short, then this technique is perfect for you. Otherwise, if your hair is long, I highly recommend you to straighten your hair to make sure there's no difference between your own hair and the ponytail. And because I am super OCD, I'm going to apply a third layer of gel using this pointy tail brush to make sure I lay down the rest of my baby hair. To do a nice and flawless ponytail, I use a bundle of 22 inches of human hair. Now, all you need to do is to wrap the hair all around your bun or your ponytail. Usually I do this step with my head down because it's so much easier to wrap the hair, but obviously for the purpose of this video I have to do it facing the camera. Once you're done, I definitely recommend you to take the last inch of the bundle and to wrap it all around to secure the ponytail. As you can see, the ponytail isn't over because the track of the bundle is pretty obvious and pretty ugly, and we need to hide that. So what I'm going to do to solve this little issue is that I'm going to use a wick of synthetic braiding hair and cut a small piece.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
and voila. So this concludes the look. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys very soon. Bisous.